This is a big win for me.
Because Caleb keeps losing his boots.
What? Lose boots.
Sorry, I'm getting dressed right now.
Oh my.
You didn't just forget them?
No, I had a brand new pair of Skidoo boots I bought from this man. I lost those after the first ride I had with him. And then I had a pair of Arctic Cat ones that were my old ones.
Somewhere.
I lost those. They might be in Wisconsin. They might be up north. They might be
Probably in Paradise.
in Paradise. But luckily, Chris here supplied me with some nice winter insulated work boots. So this is the first ride for me. I missed out on the Paradise trip. I'm very excited.
Yeah, we get to go a whole 20 miles on a smooth,
railroad
flat
track.
Yeah, basically.
But we get to ride at home.
Tomorrow.
That's the best part.
Yeah.
Well,
Well, no, we get to ride. We don't have to go anywhere to ride. That's the key.
what
Usually
I
we go
said.
hours north. This time we're here.
We were already ripping up
yeah.
the yard.
Yeah.
There's no more fresh snow anywhere.
No.
I don't know what's wrong with this thing. Just caught up in my suspenders.
Bro, get better.
got one. I don't know where it is.
Did you just have shoulder surgery or something, dude? Come on.
Oh, thanks, buddy.
Yeah.
All right, now we're good to go.
Should have just let him struggle.
Yes.
You'd have never got it.
I could have edited it all out.
Say that again.
It's cold out. It's like 10 degrees. Anyway, it's getting cold out. Cold enough to make some ice. This man's lake. So hopefully we'll have a lake day coming up soon. That'll be
A
nice.
side-by-side leg day. That'd be so
Ooh.
much fun.
Gonna need a couple more months of 0 degrees.
Months. In that case, we'll bring out the semi-trucks.
There we go.
Yeah. So we barely have enough snow to ride here, but we're gonna make it happen while we can. We're gonna go ride to get some dinner. And then after dinner, we're gonna ride back. And then tomorrow we're gonna do some more riding. We're gonna get the Bobcat out, make some jumps, do some cool stuff. You know how it is, it's just random.
Cool things. Cool things.
Now we've got 5 riders with 5 snowmobiles. Where did the last snowmobile come from? Allie's birthday present.
Ooh.
She doesn't know about it yet because it's the 7th. Her birthday is the 29th, so I got a few more days to get it like tip-top shape, get it running perfect. But we're gonna do the test run right now. We're gonna take it up the trail, make sure everything's good to go. There's a couple little issues with it that I'll have to work out, but we'll make it happen.
We're just hoping that it's reliable and that it gets us to dinner and back.
Right. Seems to be a good little record. So.
We'd be pissed if it breaks down and we're not at dinner.
I'm too hungry for this, and
Alright,
it's
guys.
too cold for this.
Guess what? Let's go.
Let's
We
hit it.
gotta go.
Oh, majestic. Look at that run. Love this dude. Hey, does anybody have a tow strap?
Is he driving? I got one.
Oh, good, because we might need it. Getting all geared up.
Oh yeah.
New backpack from the Novi Snowmobile Show.
Better show it off, dude.
Works great.
Shoot, Augie. And of course it all matches. Let's go over here. We got Ty's ride slash Jake's ride slash Allie's ride, making its way out of the truck
Hold on, we're gonna lose the ramp.
into the trailer. All right, we don't need that. I'm gonna put you guys down for a sec. She lives. All right. Got them all out of the trailer, all getting warmed up and ready to go. It's dark out already, it's upsetting, but hey, we're here, we're snowmobiling, we're having a good time. Caleb's all good to go. Let's hit it.
Well, we have made it to Sand Lake. Cameron is filling up. We are almost to the restaurant. Trails are okay, not as much snow as you'd like, but they're fine, doing pretty good.
Alrighty, it is the next day, and we're here. We're gonna have a little bit of fun. We got the Bobcat out, stacked up some snow. It's starting to disappear though, which is very upsetting.
Yeah, pretty typical.
Yeah.
But yeah, we had a great dinner last night when you saw us on the trail.
Oh yeah.
Jake's snowmobile overheated on the way back though.
Just one little spot.
Don't know what that was all about.
He had to take a little pause. There wasn't enough snow to kick up on it, but the rest of them seemed to handle it okay.
Yeah.
But he is not here. Chris is not here. Tyler's not here. So it's just me and Caleb.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a little bit of fun here. We got some wheelie spots we're gonna hit, and some snow to destroy. So let's hit it.
It's always a good time. Let's do it. Alright, I guess first we're gonna go ahead and start out on the old snow pile as we did last year. The first attempt last year didn't work too good. I don't know if you saw that video or not, but it was a good time. So we're trying it again. Oh man! Nice, you'll love to see it. Sounds good. A little sideways, but that's alright. Alright, it's my turn. That echo though. Alright, we tore up the ditch pretty good. Now we're gonna go tear up the backyard, so we'll get right on that.
Rachel to the rescue!
hour dinner time trail riding, next day mess around video.
Boom.
That's the title right there.
Too long for a title. We'll make it work in post. I don't know what we're doing, but it was just a random video because we got a random blizzard of snow.
Yeah.
So had to take advantage of it before it's all gone.
We never get to ride down here. We always have
Yes.
to go north, which is north is great, but it's fun when you get to ride at home sometimes. So.
Yeah, it's great. You just get them right out of the trailer and go. You don't got to take them anywhere. And also, it's supposed to ice rain tonight, so that means it's probably all gonna be gone. So we had to take advantage of it while we could. There wasn't enough, but there was just enough.
Exactly.
I'm a wordsmith. Anyway, that's that for that. Too bad Jake and Chris weren't here to enjoy this little bit of extra, but hopefully in the next couple weeks we'll be going back to the UP and do some real riding. Although this is fun.
Yeah.
Every now and then. But we want to hit the real stuff. If you like it, hit that like button, subscribe, tell all your buddies, and we'll see you next week.